enra na akoba say aye retlay na say soon. Omanhene John Dramani Mahama. Enano Poku. Ajima, Chief of Staff and others. Yemsha near Koso. We am ran Omanhene Eba. Na Ube here say was so yeni. Oh, Ghana.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Sompa FM.
Okay, enti dia ekoso no nyina ye nra bra na memensu yewra Julius Debra de chese oni Omanhene na nisio no ayire na ayire so pa na ya tell say samples of remains of 8 victims no almost they call South Africa for forensic analysis. Interior Minister ena wadi atuja enti no omo kwa hwehwem ahwehwe na omo hu ade kro ne ade eni gisem so no say the black box anu ane e ka wasem ena da ho no a flight recorder no, it is known as the black box. Na the akoba no say eba saa incident see ye nyina da, but the shocking thing is plane she said then cry no kwa anhye. Omanhene in such a way say omuko yi a from the time a plane no ekwa akote ahweni ade nyina se no omusu o se no omu twaadwe o no omu ye Jesus o omu ye Allah o bi esi ye bia no kasa no omu bete omu hu ade kro na ye mo Dr. Omanhene Abasupa on any search team emo many brain amenra omakohu black box no just say bibi e wo mu bia no ebema ye hunu ne ekoso na na wo so mampani jo mama Ghana mampani kasa kire Ghana fo o ma yentie nsema anwumre no o de to Ghana fo ni.
In this moment of national grief, let us remember that we are above all Ghanaians, united not just by our nationality, but by our shared hope, our shared humanity, and now our shared sorrow. Let us set aside our differences and offer our collective compassion to the bereaved families. This is not a time for division, speculation, or political point scoring. It is a time for strength, for empathy, and for the enduring Ghanaian spirit that still stands tall when all else has failed. Let our words be of comfort, our actions be of kindness, and our unity be the tribute we offer to those whose lives have been lost. Grieving.
They are dedicated lives to Ghanaians, no. Now, on final moment to crown on the cool no more that's your Jumama Ghana.
Please, friends, and our nation is grieving. And on behalf of the government and the people of Ghana, I extend my deepest condolences to their families, friends, and their loved ones. Know that our entire country mourns with you. We share your pain. Your loss is our loss. A loss of dedicated public servants, intellectuals, and individuals who tirelessly worked for a better Ghana. These 8 individuals dedicated their lives to Ghana's progress. That their final moments were spent in service is a testament to their unwavering commitment. We have lost some of our nation's brightest minds, and this is a moment of shared heartbreak. A time to reflect on the preciousness of life, the sacrifices of public service, and our gratitude for those who dedicate themselves to the well-being of our fellow citizens.
Now, Mampani Kasa Noan and Kasa even or Kasa Dipangochi, I see representing a personal loss because he shared a close bond with many of them.
Claimed a tragic helicopter crash in Adanse Krofom. Claimed the lives of 8 cherished members of our Ghanaian family. The victims of this accident include 5 passengers and 3 dedicated members of the Ghana Armed Forces. Among them were Dr. Edward Kofi Omanibuama, Minister for Defense, Alhaji Dr. Murtala Muhammad, Member of Parliament for Tamale Central and Minister for Environment, Science and Technology, Alhaji Muniru Mohammed Limuna, Acting Deputy National Security Coordinator, Samuel Sapo, Vice Chairman of the National Democratic Congress, Samuel Abuaje, Deputy Director General of NADMO, and Squadron Leader Peter Anala of the Ghana Air Force, Flying Officer Chum Ampedu of the Ghana Air Force, and Sergeant Ernest Ado, also of the Ghana Air Force. This tragedy represents a deep personal loss for me. I shared a close bond with many of those.
Okay, and also Anna, whatever tuja. Now, members of the majority, Akko Dr. Murtala Mohammed residents, and the year and then and you know, woman I will honor Yemsha de Corso. The Abeto Jana said August 15th, a state funeral. Emma, our Black Star Square. Emma, victims, no. The state will hold a funeral, and this funeral is August 15th.
Saturday, 9th August at 5 p.m., the nation will gather at the forecourt of the State House for an evening of reflection and memorial in honor of our departed colleagues. Books of condolences will be opened simultaneously at the Ministry of Defense, the Ministry of Environment, Science and Technology, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Ghana Armed Forces headquarters, and the National Democratic Congress headquarters, and also the head office of NADMO from Sunday 10th August to Thursday 14th August. On Friday 15th August, an interdenominational state funeral will be held for the 8 heroes at the Black Star Square.
Okay, and now as I say, a china now watch here, a state funeral. They will make china there. It was State House, forecourt, no. Something like a candlelight, be nominated. What him saying, Kachina, Enka Nyame Aduma, Enka Kumasi Sports Stadium, and a Drew Lumbaso. Oh, Echina Nanka Kumasi Fosso, ye candlelight, Ama Lumba. But it's a creative arts for the Krataba, say, or must suspend. And you know, I'm on for 2 t-shirts, pa. The idea channel would be but one down show t-shirt will fear. And you may not saw candle will fear. I you'll be able to send the t-shirt and the candle will fear. But the abano. But the channel there, all roads will lead to the State House forecourt. A more a reflection on this not 15th I as Antimera, I told Safran and Anum a Santimine Council for an emergency meeting on the 11th of August, which is Monday, right? Yes. To Monday, no, after the emergency meeting, no, the entire Yaton Safra Santima Council, no, you better. Na Ghana for you now, so what the entire emergency meeting. Oh, as Santima Council, they say,
oh, like, say, oh, yeah,
I am mine, you know. Omanhene no na ekoshia yo Kumasi traditional councilor eye Kumasi eno ne abrempon ne binom kra ka ho but we ne Asanteman council the entire Asante eno na Asanteman council it goes beyond the Asante region omo som ranom ne
yes I don't know about say nana go so mine hene mu ama a gathering of the Omanhene Sompa ho yes
Sompa hene beba
no mu nyina eba bie no
ba ko no ye say oh tiobodom
yes
nom ne ade nyina beba omo beba Kenya say nom ne ade
yes Kenya say
nyina omo so Asantema wura omo beba on say enyantie say Asat enra no na ka Asantema wura etia ne na echi akọ United Kingdom nanka kwasiada we ni na otwe eya kwasiada so yes kwasiada we ni na otwe nanka 17 or transfer UK na Asantema wura atwa ne ne aba na chi se bibi asia ana ehu abehia ye nyina ye ntadi na ye ni amane ni amamre so ye mechima kan ya ma mentio tiawa
akonta
enra o mampani osui na wutie wengam so de a na ye say ye na first lady ase
yes
je wutie Assemblies of God moderator first lady and a jina muse ukuada no omampani John Dramani Mahama wompe womuko first pastors and spouses conference na we say omampani John Mahama omeka omo ho no mundi anniversary Cote d'Ivoire omo independence
omo 60
is it no omampani John Mahama I can't say enkono be call Tuesday let's enka Wednesday no ko ba no mu wi a na ko ato so Cote d'Ivoire ena na ire se da mpanimfo ne asofo de krata ba me no mienu nya ajetum se ebeko eto yewura wengam moderator se ofre no ka kire ne se so mampani frɛ no cheche BBM tie na montie monpene on ka kire ne so on tie ase ena yewura wengam Reverend Wengam so esate prayers Say Omomon Paya vetted the Omanhene person or Oyeno. Because the president should come. So they set up a prayer team. Ebon Paya say, Ma Omanhene to cry. It's the Anopano. We are told the wife insisted, no way. And on the Omanhene immediately. The early morning already arrangement for them all. Everything showed Sana Omanhene ever try helicopter nibi.
Uti in Komokra Pia Stadium, any other media houses said dear. Also, ne Uluma Ding Komono, and upon Uluma catcher and say Pia Menyama na so Unkrano said the media mobi.
And Zana line
yes, and any pano. Any pano, the abrews or the abos at the NT Menyama or Manebo Mamoba. Asema according to
yes,
Apia Stadium interview on other
media
houses, I know.
Insisted because the early hours of the morning and now Omanhene that's what a crying. The only option would have been the helicopter.
Oh yeah.
And say I programs
then the program 2 was 9 o'clock. It's a helicopter on Akadene Beba. What I say? It's a Kayaba Koswa and Kofi Boakye. Ono na yani direct security
operations.
And ne 8. But a lady needs to say Bawa
Joyce Bawa Montari.
And can the secretary Callistos no man say Nipanubi. And can Obenya those call.
That call no will be with him.
This thing was averted and unim near see sad. But if he had been the president,
story altogether.
When Gama more video no.
Yeah,
Yente.
Since yesterday, I've been calling and posting on social media and saying, Assemblies of God, thank you for saving our president's life. It's not about the clap and listen. Sound better for me. Listen carefully. We did nothing except that. That's why the speaker said you must be prophetic. You don't need to be a prophet. When last week I received a call from the president's secretary that he would not be able to come today, and that he had been invited to La Côte d'Ivoire to be the special guest of honor for their independence. And that His Excellency had asked the Vice President and his wife to come in his place. I said, thank you, Dr. Callistos. Then I called Reverend Bauer. Reverend Bauer, President said he's not coming. I said, I don't accept it. Go and mobilize the prayer team and pray and reverse it. Reverend Bauer is my witness. Where is he? Ask him. I told him, I said, I don't accept it. Then Monday, when we arrived, I was a bit late. I was just coming and First Lady called me, very angry. Said, Pastor, President says that he's going to La Côte d'Ivoire. No, we are coming for this program. We have planned for this program long ago. No way. It was a battle on the phone. Battle on the phone. He said, don't accept it. I was talking with her when the president was calling. I said, Mama, president is calling. It's okay, I'm going up, but don't agree. So president explained. I said, Your Excellency, I understand. Your will be done. Then when I was leading prayer, I saw Mama calling again. I couldn't receive the call. Then she sent a text and said, we are coming on Wednesday so the president can travel on Thursday. So that was how it was averted. If he had come today, he would have traveled yesterday. So when the speaker says we must be prophetic, every pastor, and this comes by being very prayerful, spending time, hours before the daily content. Not that you pray on Monday, you don't pray.
Yeah.
Agonta.
Enna maame na se o.
Oh yes. Agonta saade we esi wo fie bebre mu.
Ai.
Yeah, esi wo fie bebre ma asɛm a Papa Steve Ringham eken. Ene na ma edu ba bi a enro na me ne Asante di nkomo bi na me busa ne sɛ enti sabio sampenimfo atitiri we sa akesifo sei wana omuni yire omuni maame omuni nua ma bia obekwa asore bi na bia ya ka kye ne se ka kire onua be ma no ka kire okunu se
omuni ma wo mo
ana se oni sofo bi oni spiritual father bia
hwe
odi mana eye dey akota God will definitely reveal it to somebody oye close ana or contact with sani pakrono amana bonamane say ke sei na obi krati mi kasa Asante me soda e bi fa ho na nye kra me hu ye na sei ni nti bo ho mpaye
ana hu bobi a obeti unfortunately yesua de kakra kodru akira ye ma honhom nsem be ye atetesem ma wona woni bie ene wona onima de ye make what you say say yesua de dru akira ye ma honhom nsem ye ma nyame asem ene honhom niema no ebe ye atetesem ene they can say enkwadaasem bi ne niema bi ma nipa bi a ase wo mo de omu ni bibiye nipa bi. There are people who think say ono ani nim de ni nyansa na ama wadru ba bi a wadru enti wo ka bibi sa akire no a she Roger de ya o se obi frɛ no a
yes
number na Roger boboy na a landline
yes.
It was an office line.
It was an office line and
it could mean say bi a obi a o close to ye Romane Boama.
Yes. He works at the office.
He works at the office. Now catch and say, oh, omudi komo wi e no koye ko no.
Ebi cross one so many pa cross.
Information ko bi kwa nko no nche.
Ebi su kwa wante. Mo. Na ni pa no fafo. Mo. Who the hell do you think you are? How dare you? Why dare you?
And
the question is catch a defense minister say
the question is, was the information meant for that individual?
No. Asante, people cry more than they bereaved.
That's it.
People behave more Catholic than the Pope in Ghana. Yabo amane me nenam. Asemi betuma si omo mama ni o. Obetuma ko din komo ho gra sei. Ade kro no na
okunto kwaro abere bia.
Me suma no.
Oni onte kra. En ekoso. Kwako jinto kwako wonchen.
Asema ya o kare no kro. This one akosuku. A lawyer for, a doctor for, a broadcast journalist for, nurses, teachers, professors, anyone more, a share dear cacrano. Would the Yamia Semo mana, no the toto dear, any, and there may be a musician or social media, and some attacks on men of God, you know. There are so many people today who catch their crowns. Now, Obiti, because I'm disappointed in you. Wow, we educated partner, who can we? Oh, Asante me say, Ghana, this is the situation now.
Asante, na me bakubi ana me ne odin mana me say. It's say Omanhene Boama ne ma me di ne bakro. Tina me busa Asante say, me ne ohiri ni kura nkomo na me say ye me pa say me ba na me di ne bakro. Akonta se me kon na wo se me di si ho e say empaibo say whatever e wo se me ye the time me banachi e man do the apex of baby o so duru ene bia agese bia na mawu
now you would understand
me ye me try to mercy me yam I don't get it. I don't get it
every day. Uba come up power ho.
You want to hear something.
And your Liberty Conference, I see my man any film. Debbie. Uba mami bi. What in tuma bonimu.
Mo.
Nenia bring nano.
Nempaya obonima.
Oh, demand mau. Because the ma boys no. Bible mu. Job. Say the man who call your party bar. No akoba for the urade anim. So obu ko party bar. Oku tu nyame anim su. Slebo ne fache man ba.
Or how many
They
years
content
ago?
me.
Ya ma before be bre on ma ye ya. Na ye die ni ba. Na de o be die ni show.
No.
Any tade any kasa kese no mo tell mo we yase.
Me yan kasa asem we emfa mu obi anim tia.
Na bi ba ya e ye.
They make can say enti
E yase ehu.
enti nua baabi sampanimfo no mu ni nua baabi no mu didi mo mu bi di. No mu ni maami bia no mu didi mo no mu ni sofu bia. Say me kwa sorry. This is my spiritual father. This is my pastor. Akuta obetia onaso. There are several times Bishop said to say for be from me yaboma.
Now okay ye concry.
Yes.
Ye concry. Be kai Bishop say for frel.
Yes.
Catch it say. Can want to cry on any of these days. Yaboma say who dey mistake say ka uni so.
Oh yes.
Na kai say what here.
Oh yes.
You see, na me
me
be na so for you.
me
Prophets were whole.
Mama can say
You know what I mean,
nipa
Tiasi.
wa Ghana get 2 million.
Enti
Ade be say Yankopon nya nkyere wo bia.
After this, and you see videos with data about me who say a D4 baby. I can't almost sorry there, but I'm up for a few almost.
Close over it.
iti obi kura o de money panama ne se bia makwa sorry baby ni aka chem ya ka asante ho asem de a chem e bia papa ye de a ne be yi se meti o se bia meti magina ne bia kwanche bia wo se ye ya there are several times amanfo 20% pacho ko ne make sure say sa kwanche we bia monye emfa mame e bia baba be bona mane se o me kwa so ye se ni
You better tell kasa about elections ho ha.
Yeah.
Omokushia no Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
And this is for now.
Masa.
Yo, mama ka asante amanfo yo titru ni mpanimfo bebra amanfo kọ asofo bi amanfo kọ spiritual people bi na so akọ ye nyema bi de ma omo wabra nipa no physically no bi.
Ade ya o de etimi gi free usem.
No correct.
Na Bible mu Jacob wanyi Esau to me.
Ma mi ginai.
Wanyi. O ma bi gira ma no ma ne je Esau. Enti se nyema bi be se akunya bi ho no ma Ghana ha. Wo yo hine. O fie obi di ade.
Yeah. It's true.
Ono na obi e wo sa akunya ye dia so obi na di ade no. MPB ye tu no because otra officer on the onimyansa on the onimnimdie or ye campaign keke. I'm telling you. Who never to be sa.
Oh yeah.
Wo tiase na wo se wo ye professor wo ye intellectual. For intellectual na ho. Yeah, I have professors.
Yes.
I have people very much. Omo ne be bompa ya homachi.
Oh yeah.
Recently baako ye ya baako promotion na de ma no nti. Edem ha say. Me ne bompa ye na me so onhwe ye. Na wan hwe ya obenya snake bite. Oti ho sua de sa bibi en so sorry na black cobra da. Tiles.
If you
Oh, yeah. And you will be on man. Black cobra. What be down no more? Because any pioneer boy na ko ba be kano. Ti ko be kano obi awura de kre kano. On be ko no asensena wuda ho. Promotion ti. 3 days pe ade ni see ya na the promotion so buy. Ya man penny dibia. Na be catch the pain. Abrekuma. Eno na me catch me boys no. Me ni penifo bi di komo.
no catch them.
Eno man catch them. But o man tie. Esi wi afa na o mo frɛ me. Me ye den. Ti say Roger asem o kai. Eti penifo ti obi enu a ohu say. Oh, and the guy was specific. Was o man ne boama.
No ni me din was the defense minister.
Why? Was o panichel. Obi ni no ana obi hu video of no and that time video no sako they saw it go hu na ko ede no obi friend no man won it
no enra na me tie no mi aminu Ali Baba show no so no enra wi na ote Ali Baba show no so Ali busa no say time a oka say omane bo ama the defense minister ye hwan
that was 2 weeks ago.
Yes, 2 weeks omo catch us say omane bo ama oka say onfro wa na say so bi nim no a omano reach out to you. Ne message ni e no so message Nyankopon de man na so on kanche na ne say on stay away from office for 1 month from that day. So 2 weeks ago no. E dey like on office for on stay away
there's
from
a government business crowd
on stay for 1 month. So stay for 1 month asenka.
Abrante ba ko e friend of fire wo jey.
Yes, yes.
Eyi
Officer now.
Omo ye bienu o. Omo na touch plane pa. Oka che ne say. Me hu say wo ye be soma wo say to aeroplane ko baby. Enko. Say basa wo be resign kra, resist it and resign. Unim say no kremu suni no. He was the person ananke se wonko. And ofeini sickness. And a chumberi man ko 2 years.
And it's so for Nigeria.
Yes.
He saved.
It's all over. All prophesying by and we are granted no so a see our friend no nyina no so e wo ho. Na abrantie no small boy na we hu ni sai bia wo mu no. Nyame nhia obi a adwene wanyine anya 8 years asana odi ni so ade hu na ma no. Ghana for home. Yeah, we have Yahweh. Yeah, what has happened is say ya super nyame asofo ebu omanim tiama akodu pepe so say akora ketewa bi kura onim hwe otimi di camera si na nim na odi sofo pani bi atete
So no support.
no anya support na brante bi so Abraham Bo say so be common sense
No broken heart no.
Wanya broken heart. The common sense in now the anya broken heart. I was your friend.
Oh my kakra na make any. Just a minute. Your secret na ye kan wasem no. O man nso hu hia. Hu masem hu na mfam. Enie enti nanka first lady so ne running events flight events vice president. Come so go for same flight as to kwan.
Dabi omo de na omo ko
na say the same thing they can you remember
Dabi o president and kasa omo be ba o
Akwakosi na nemu
pastor say you
okay that was different day but my it comes down still ano the security nsem ye hwe ni ye akwanya ye faso a say oman no you need security policy because me the ntia make say aban bi ba na I say why recruit to anasa fa ne crop actually who they are going to manage security and Ghana no one as a country no
professionals
they are the people to manage your security because anyone na can be say Omanhene Muhammad or is affable whatever that it shouldn't be like that. It should not be the decision of the security.
Yes.
We have no power of our own security as the president.
Mr.
Say
President,
no.
You allow this. Mr. President, this
No,
can't
this is
be
the
done.
standard of our security.
and no near dia and no
They
near
are
dia
oh, Ghana.
Omanhene ebrebi na bi mu enti ase say Omanhene kai kona menua kuma apia stadium edi chen ade na bi mu enti ase ni ade. Listen to me. Omanhene John Mama was ade no.
Oh yes.
But security wise it is totally wrong.
Unacceptable.
That is why people ebi mu bastardizing no say okofa Ibrahim aeroplane di two kwan no.
Yeah.
What are the security features in there?
Anything is possible.
Yeah.
Ghana on ya say oh now obere obi nku obi ebere na obi akuno say Omanhene beba yanka president ba baby a security secret service America almost civilian uniforms ejire jemu sa ho no a o chiatia no
No yeah.
wo ye list mistake say wo
We
yi bi photo
simple.
nipa be for no musa so nyom they will spray you after knowing say Jeff Kennedy etimi kuno oma ya hwe ye de ne de ye jane sa ba mesre e ma manfo mbremu omo kofa omo emu no egu bottom no e kwan na omo ka ho asem no
2 hours.
it's almost 2.5 hours walk and it happened in the middle of a densely forest forest yenko ho
A virgin forest.
it's a virgin forest.
Yeah.
It will break cross and omu. Some moment no na ekuafo e ho no. Omu koko botton na ya available. So omu yo imagine say omu ja no ho no ma ba sa kwa.
What will happen?
E bi kra na obetima ba no. Na nsuo bi atokra sa sai ne ma kra ho. Enti I agree. At that moment no omu ntimi nya sa bags ni bi. But it's an eyesore.
An eye opening biana.
No, I'm saying it's an eyesore. So
Omu bi da. Nipan son.
Obi just say Omane asese ne bottle half. That is what I mean. But at the end of the day, let's not blame them so much. at that material moment.
The only blame will have been say among for social media no and say and see and no say you yes some ministers nko these things always happen but I say ya na tu nipa bi dia say you bu ani go so what I say say be nkura yi die
any time you frame you see inche Pragia di part 2
and answer on the same day
yes ekonu understand ekonu ka bia konum pragia 2 Oman kasa
enu aso mo say ya
pragia me ense o
Oman ye kwan ya su ya gikwan su sa cars to nipa be 45 by 66
chala August we dey enye August papa o ajiri for sorry ne mompae all right ye Daniel ho aba ama ye the tip of Jumedia bremo ye ba ye beto aso nyame kan ho